Page 4. Woo! Let's do this. So we have these two given two triangles. I need to draw these. So let's see. P, Q, R, and L, M, N. And if the R and the N are equal, and P and something is equal, then this over this will equal this over this. So LM is what we're looking for here. And we would want this one here to be the other one there. So that is our answer. Way too confusing to do if you don't have a picture. Gotta have a picture. All right, so we have a quadrilateral. And you know what? I really need a picture here. So let's get our little graph paper. And here, let's see, we've got relatively small numbers, so everything should fit. We have -3, 0 for M. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 for S. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 for T. It's dilated using the origin of dilation and a scale factor R5. Then what are the coordinates of T? So this is where it starts. And so I would want to continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I would want to do that. This is 2 times. I want to do that 5 times to get my answer. So the reality is, if I want to kind of simplify this, I'm going to be multiplying this times 5 and this times 5. Because when I'm done, this side here will be times 5, so the other guys will also be times 5. So this was 4, 4 times 5 will be 20. And this is 2, and 2 times 5 will be 10, but that is a negative, so I should get a 20 and a negative 10. And my answer. Good question. Good question. Okay, number 26. We want to find x if these little dudes are really parallel. These guys, oh, please tell me you know what their name is. Come on, come on, come on. What are they called? What are they called? What are they called? Corresponding. Hope you got corresponding, because that is the correct answer. And I know that parallel lines give me corresponding angles that are congruent to each other. So I'm going to set them equal to each other and do some fun math. So I'm going to move the 3x over there, move the 9 over here. And I actually wanted x, so I'm done, people. I'm done. All right, this little bitty dude is dilated to get to the big dude here, so that means they are similar to each other. And I do know that they're parallel too, so I could have gotten like my corresponding and my reflexive. I could have done that too. I am looking for AB, this value here, so I need to set up a ratio. I say 12 is to the whole thing 18. As AB is to AB plus 5. So I'm going to reduce that first because I can. So I'm going to do 6 into both of them, 2 and 3. And we'll just call it x. Make it a little bit easier. Do a little cross multiply. We get our 3x equals 2x plus 10. Hope you got the 10. Hope you got the 10 because that is distributive property. So we subtract, we get x is equal to 10, which is what we were looking for. That makes enough sense. All right, look for 28. For 28, what do we have? We have that equals that. And we have this little dude here equals this little dude here. And we want to find the value of x. So this is in between the two markings, and this is in between the two markings, so I can say 18 is to 24, as 27, which is the double and the nothing, and the double and the nothing, which is 12 plus 3x. So I have to reduce a bunch, but I got a calculator here, so I'm not going to. So let's do just 24 times 27, do a little cross multiply. Big fatty answer here. 18 times 12 is 216. And 18 times 3 is 54. So remember, got to do a cross multiply and distributive property. So we'll subtract 648 minus 216. 432. And we would then divide that by 54. And we get 8, check, 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 value of x, that's what we're looking for, so I'm good to go. All right, this is 30, 60, 90, yay. Hopefully you remember that between these two guys here is the root 3 relationship, so I have a bigger one, I want to go smaller, so I divide by root 3, which gives me 8, and we find the area of the triangle is this times this divided by 2, so we get 32 root 3. Watch. Just kidding. 32 root 3 as our answer. All right, move it up. Or you can see the whole thing. Sorry about the last one, but you'll live. Let's see. We have this here, and we have this here, and we want to find out what additional information would prove that the triangles are similar. So, what do we have? We have B and E are right angles. That's not really that helpful. I already knew they were equal. If I have that BC and CE are perpendicular, that's not really helpful. I can't imagine how that would help me get anything about those guys, so that's out. So I'm going to erase. Let's see, D and ECD are equal. That's not really helpful about the two triangles. So I'm really hoping that this one's going to help me out here. So this one and this one are parallel, and if that is true, then those are corresponding, so that would be finally something helpful, giving us an A and an A. When you're doing these, you have to check all the answers because you have no idea what the options are going to be. It's not like you're solving for something and then going from there. Alrighty.